You ever look at a cornfield like this and see the leaves start curling up? Kind of looks like a taco shell out here. That's a telltale sign that we are running out of water. Soil moisture is really low, and hot temperatures during the day will make these leaves curl up, and there's a scientific process that makes that happen. Let's talk about it. So first, it's important to know how water moves through a corn plant. So corn uptakes water initially through its root system. When that water enters in through the roots, it then goes into the xylem, which is like a little pathway. It's like a highway for water and nutrients throughout the plant. It's called the xylem and the phloem. Xylem goes up, phloem goes down. And as it moves up through the plant, eventually it evaporates out of little structures in the leaves called stomatas, which is like a mouth that opens and closes, and it opens and releases oxygen and water, and it brings in carbon dioxide. Well, when we don't have very much soil moisture and it's super hot, the plant intentionally tries to reduce its surface area to keep it from having too much exposure to the sun. That way it cuts down on that transpiration. It keeps the water inside of the plant. And the way that it rolls the leaves is through something called the bulliform cells. A lot of people call them motor cells, because when they dry out and they constrict, they increase the turgor pressure of the leaf, which will then curl it in, effectively lowering its surface area and protecting that photosynthetic tissue from burning up in the sun. You can think of it kind of like closing the blinds in your house when it's the heat of the day to try and keep your AC from running too hard. And you can use this to gauge drought pressure, right? So during the day it'll curl up, but they should open up at nighttime if the drought pressure isn't too bad. And so if they're unfurled in the morning when you come back and look at the corn, well, that's not too bad. But it's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now, and these things are still curled. That means that we're really getting dry. We need some rain. This field also has a whole bunch of Japanese beetles. Not good. Anyway, that's how a corn plant conserves water during drought pressure. Thank y'all so much for watching, and y'all have a good day.